पीपल, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। कैसे हैं सब लोग? होप सो आप सब लोग बहुत बढ़िया रहेंगे। मैं बता दूं, मैं भी बहुत अच्छा हूँ। मेरे साथ है नन अदर देन जेके शाह सर। ही इज अ पायनियर ऑफ द कॉमर्स एजुकेशन एंड नाउ पार्ट ऑफ द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर ऑफ वेरेंडा लर्निंग। एंड टुडे वी आर अनाउंसिंग अ वेरी बिग न्यूज फॉर यू।
I am so thrilled to welcome BB sir, your most respected teacher, and BB Virtual to the Veranda family, of which JK Shah classes has only been a part since last 2.5 years. BB Virtual's physical coaching arm would now be part of JK Shah classes, and JK Shah Virtual arm will now be part of BB Virtual.
You already know that BB Virtual is providing the online classes for the CA and CMA, and JK Shah classes is providing face-to-face classes across the country as well in the foreign country. One goal, two strength and your success. BB Virtual and JK Shah classes main motive is to provide the best education in India. With this collaboration, you are going to get the education for all the courses like foreign courses as well as the CMA, CS, and guys, we are going to launch the exclusive English batches for the foundation, intermediate of the CA, CMA, CS, as well as the foreign courses.
Students will get everything under one roof, under one system, and will not have to move for one subject to one place and for the other subject to the other place. Friends, students, you deserve this, and now it is becoming a reality. Some of the finest faculties of JK Shah classes, so far teaching only physical, will now be available on virtual platform headed by respected BB sir. And the other way, the finest faculty to know BB Virtual, you will be able to see on some of the JKC platforms as well. Also, BB Virtual will now offer not just inter-CA and final CA, but all level, all CA courses, all CS courses, all ICLA courses, and all foreign courses under English medium as well as separate English medium lectures as well. Friends, you understood that best of both the worlds is now coming to you. We would be very happy when we see practically every commerce student, no matter what he or she wants, is coming to these platforms, gets the best and unparalleled quality coaching at affordable fees, wonderful study material, wonderful test program. In short, the perfect recipe for success. I can say the things would be so good and like never before that together we are going to make a wonderful history. The CA results would improve. Across all professional courses, the results would improve because of this synergy. I am so confident that JK Shah classes and BB Virtual together on Veranda platform are going to change the face of education across the country.
And under the guidance of the JK Shah sir, we are going to provide you best education in India.
Your success is our success.